Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are healthy and safe. And if you ask me, I'm also pretty well. So in this video, I'm going to talk about very interesting thing about my life, that how I got interested toward this language and what how I made my mind that I have to learn this language. It is not a simple or small journey that I in one day I started talking in English. It take a long time. It take me long time to understand that this language is important for you and you have to learn this language. So it was not an easy task because every learner is different from another. Okay, we cannot compare ourselves with other. Everyone has their own journey, everyone has their own conditions. So we cannot apply each and everything on everyone. You might can also think that if you are learning this language, it means you also have some great reason behind that. Everyone has great reason, hidden reason behind that everyone is learning this language. It is not an easy thing that we can learn this language in one day or within 6 months or 3 months. Yes, we can become fluent speaker, we can get an idea, but if you want to become proficient in this language, then you have to give time, right? You without giving time, I cannot say you that you are going to become a wonderful speaker. No, if you will devote some time to this language, it will really reward you. And it is not an easy task for me also, because if I talk about myself, when I was back then, when I was kid, I was not so studious girl. I was very introvert girl. I was just average student, means I was decent in education, not so topper. Yeah, when I completed my class 10th and 12th, then I become as a topper girl. But back then, when I was in fourth grade or fifth grade, I was not giving so much time to my studies. I was not studious girl. So what happened back then? When my father thought that I am going to enroll her in a different school, means he want to switch my school. When I was studying in English medium school, but there was no any environment to speak only in English. Means we can speak in Hindi as well. But the new school which my father was trying to enroll me, that was totally English medium school. Means even a single girl or boy cannot speak Hindi. If they are going to speak Hindi, if a teacher will caught them red-handed, so they are going to give some punishment, or you have, and they are going to write some complaint on the diary, and you have to bring your parents with yourself. Then they are going to leave you. This was not easy to, means you have to go on that school and just do anything. If you will caught red-handed, teacher will give you punishment. So I had a lots of fear. By listening that, I had lots of fear. I was literally crying that I am not going to study on that school. My parents said that don't worry, you will do everything, because I don't know why my parents believe on me so much, that they say always to me that whatever you want, you can do it. Just you have to give time to that thing. So I thought, really, my parents are right or I am wrong? There was a block on my mind. Then what should I do? I don't want to go to the new school, because there was some my few friends on previous school, so they were become my best friend, and I don't want new friend anymore. So I thought, no, I'm not going to study on that school. But my parents enforced me, and they just enroll myself in English medium school. So I got there, but I was not talking with anyone. I had a fear that if I will speak in front of class, everyone is going to mock upon me, because everyone has a great knowledge, and I feel like I am inferior girl. I'm not good at all. So this was I don't know, myth on my mind or something like that, that I don't want to speak in front of anyone. I think so. This was my myth. So I was bit different with everyone, means I was not talking with anyone in the class. I was just going to school, and whatever the teacher is teaching, I was writing down in my copy, and I just come back at my home. So this was the daily routine. But one day what happened, when there was a PTM in my school, so my teachers said to me that you have to brought your parents. So I thought, no, I will not but it notice has given in my diary, so I have to brought them anyhow. So what I did exactly, that I told my parent that you have to go with me because today is PTM. So my parents was ready and my mother came with me. Then my teacher told to her that she is not speaking a single word in the class. Everyone is speaking except her. So my mother was very angry on me. And when we went home back, then she asked me that why are you not talking English? What happened to you? We are wasting lots of money and you are not utilizing all of them. So they would scold me a lot, they would shout me a lot, but I did not say anything to them. I did not say anything to them, but I obey my parents. I always obey my parents, that whatever they are going to say me, I will do that. So what happened that when my mother said that from tomorrow I don't want your any complaint from school. You have to speak only in English. You have to speak broken English. I know you can do, only you have to try. So from next day, what I do, I was not talking with my friends. Literally, I was some girls was trying to talk with me, but yes and no. I was just giving answer in yes and no, rather than nothing. So what I do, I started talking with my teachers. Means literally, I thought that teacher will correct if I will say something wrong, so they will correct me. So I thought this. I made my mind that from tomorrow I'm going to talk with my teachers. So I talk to them. I just go and talk whenever my teacher asks to me any question. Miss Kriti, tell me this, then and that. Then I just literally tell them each and everything. So what happened? After few days, I was able to answer, means short sentences. Answer means how are you? I am fine. Where is my book? So this kind of thing, I just want to answer anything. Open the page number 21 or 46, like that I was doing. So when I promoted in class 10th, then I started giving presentation because my teacher told me that you have to give presentation in front of class. So I don't know how to give presentation. So one teacher, her name was Amitabh sir. So he told me that you have to give presentation, but what make sure that even you are speaking wrong, but you have to maintain eye contact. Okay. So this habit was developed by my Amitabh sir. All credit goes to he, that he told me that even you are speaking wrong, don't worry for that. Maintain a pointer, means whatever the things you have noted down, and you have to tell each and everything. But whenever you are giving presentation in the class, you have to maintain eye contact with each and every student, so they feel confidence and they feel that you are talking with them. Okay. So this was the thing that I today, even today I follow that. Even today I follow his whatever he has told. So this thing I have developed from my school. Means many of you was wondering that how I got interested over this language. It was quite overwhelming and fascinating story. But yes, by giving lots of presentation, I learned this language. Means I not learned real life conversation, but I know bookish language. If I will read any book and you will say me that explain within 2 minutes, so I will try to explain within 2 minutes. So this is my, I make sure that whatever I am reading, I will just tell each and everything within 2 minutes. So this was the thing. And now second thing was that this is very very interesting. You will laugh at me, but don't laugh. I'm telling to you. The city where I live, there lots of foreigners come. Okay, so whenever I looked at foreigners, so I just want to talk with them. I know I'm not good at English, but I had this strong desire, you can say, that I want to talk with them, that how I can talk with them and how I want to know their culture, because I always want to explore something new. So that's why I want to talk with foreigners, but I didn't get any opportunity till now. But I am looking forward, if I will get that opportunity, I will surely talk with them. So this is the second reason, that's why I'm learning this language. And you must not for any job purpose or something like that, but yeah, this is the strong desire that I want to learn this language, and I want to talk with foreigners. So this was the thing that I thought that I should share with you all. And if you really like this video, then please subscribe my channel for more valuable content and exciting content I would bring up in front of you. And one thing I have seen that 90% people watch my videos, only 7% people have subscribed till now. So hey guys, please subscribe and make a big family so that it will give me motivation. Really, it give me lots of motivation when someone subscribe my channel. So this is the only thing that we expect from you all, that we are going to get. Nothing as I'm going to get here, but the way I am learning and I am telling you my journey. It is not that it's my journey. Everyone's journey is something new. They have also faced some issue, or they have also faced some struggle. That's why they are learning this language. And if you have some new journey, you can write down in the comment. I will go through all the comments. So write it down that why you got interested over this language, why you are learning this language, and make your mind and do practice. You will learn each and everything one day. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this, please give a like button and subscribe. I will catch you in another video. Till then, bye bye and take care. Bye.